everyone, my name is Louise Bailey. I'm Business Development Manager here at Edale. I'd like to welcome you today to the Daily Bailey, which is a factory tour here at Edale to show you which machines we've got going through manufacture. So if you'd like to follow me, let's go. Okay, so next up on the shop floor we have an FL1 Prime, which is a 350 wide label and packaging press. This particular machine is actually going out to Croatia. It's due to go out in the next couple of months, I believe. As you can see, it's quite similar to the FL3, apart from we have, instead of having an HMI on each individual print station, we have a main HMI that runs along the rail across the whole length of the press. Also, this particular machine is an 8-colour, full UV. We have a rail system that runs along the back of the press. And this is currently holding the D-lam relam, the turn bar, and as per the previous machine, we also have a re-register lamination module, which is obviously rail mounted, as mentioned. And as per the previous machines as well, this machine has our Easy Reg camera, which is an autonomous print register control. And this is positioned on the last print station. And this press also has capacity for 2 full rotary dies and a sheeting die. And you have the break-free waste matrix and the rewind. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. If you'd like to have more information, you can contact info@edale.com, or you can email myself, louise@edale.com. And if you'd like to join us tomorrow, there'll be more Daily Bailey around the factory. See you soon.